Oh, flip flop again.
Look at her go. Look at her go. Get it.
She is making out with it.
Mimsy, get it.
Oh my god. That is intense.
She's not fucking kidding.
Oh.
Nope.
Okay.
It's her bitch now. It's her fucking bitch. Go ahead, girl. Do your thing. She's like making out with your fucking flip-flop. I can't. She don't even care that we're watching right now. She's not private. Like, if this was real life, she'd be like that bitch on top going crazy.
Just going for it, scaring people.
Just doing it.
Look at her go.
Doing it.
I have never seen her do that.
It's like her man.
It is a... Whoa, here we go. What is that?
She don't care. Oh shit! She almost lost it. What is happening?
Mimize! What are you doing to flip flop? So it squeaks.
She is flipping all over it.
It's her toy.
I should grab it.
Did you take it?
No, I'm about to. Eye on the flip flop.
Come here. I got your flip flop. Come on. I got it. Got it. Okay. So come on. I want it.
Give it to me. Meanwhile, there was like two more over there.
I didn't know. You done? No.
Nope. Take it again. Take it again.
Why is it moving?
Where's it going? Is that my man? Taking my man?
That's the first time she's called.
Oh shit. What?
She's staring it down.
Go ahead, girl. Get it.
Her eyes are unfocused. It's weird.
She's gonna act like she doesn't care about it right now. Oh, she's better than it.
She's like, you've contaminated it.